Okay, let's continue our tutorial for EXModel. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to import skirmishes and how to do some pre-processing steps to help you get easily started. And first of all, how to import skirmishes. Just navigate to the toolbar and enable the first option, Open. And then you can choose any of the files, any of the file formats you have here. So for example, I just choose this STL file and open it. And you can choose your millimeters and open. The loading takes some time, just wait patiently. And then here you can see a basic computer set part here. Of course, you want to know more about this file, so just navigate to the left side and right-click this model and to see its properties. In the properties, it has all the information for this file, its name, its points number, triangles number, dimensions, its volumes, and so on. So for its points number and triangles numbers, I understand many people want to reduce them to simplify this file to make the whole design experience more smoother. So we have this feature in scan data, and just click Reduce Polygons, and you can set your parameters. For me, I I I just choose 50% here, and we preview the results. And this is a reduced polygon version. And you can also choose other parameters, that's okay. And you can also keep original mesh or not, it's your preferences. And you can also enable OK. So I also understand that you may encounter other cases like your files are not a unified one, or its normal orientations are all different. Then I recommend you navigate to the scan data and choose flip normals. And then its normal orientations are all reversed. So thanks for watching, and I hope this will be helpful.